Okay, in this video we're looking at problem 830 where we're actually solving for K or solving for the rate of return. Now this is probably the trickiest one you're going to have to do, but I've set this up where it's not quite so hard. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do some actually trial and error here. So we know from the problem that you're going to have an initial investment of $50,000 and you want it to grow to 89,542, and I don't have the cents in here. I don't go out as far as the decimal, so just simply find the amount 89,542 and in 10 years. So the way you would do this is, let's say I'm not going to actually do the problem for you because you can, that's just too easy. Let's just say that the numbers were, I am going to start off with 20,000 and I want to know what rate of return I'm going to need to have in order to end up with $30,789 in 11 years. So if I didn't have anything here, right? So if I just cleared all these out, just clear contents, and I said to myself, I don't know this. I don't know this. I don't know what this is right here. So, but I know I want to end up with 30,789. Just like up in the problem, I know I want to end up with 89,542. So you're going to put in 50,000 right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to adjust the rate of return until you get to where you want to be. So what I would do, if I want to start off with 20,000, I would put that in right here, right? And then I would say, okay, number of years 11, or yeah, because I'm just matching it up with the one right below it, right? And I don't know, just for the sake of this, of showing you how to do this, we're pretending like I don't know the answer is for a 4% rate of return. I don't know, but I do know my future, for my future value, I want it to grow to 30,789. So I just simply start with 1% and see what that's going to give me, or not 100%, 1%, right? Not enough, right? So let me bump that up to 2. Still not there yet. So let me bump that up to 3, right? So you keep going until you actually get to the number you're looking for, which is 30,789. So you're going to do the same thing, except the numbers you're going to put in is 50,000 right here, and interest rate. Well, no, you don't know what that is. That's the thing. That's what you're trying to find, and then the number of years you're going to put in here is 10. Now, you can see the formula. Now, what I did was once you find that, then you can actually use this formula right here. And I've put this formula, K equals a future value over a present value, all raised to the power of 1 over n minus 1. You can't do this formula until you know n, right? You know, this is great, but you have to know, no, actually you can, sorry. You do know n, but I'm just showing you here how you can find it by just plugging in a different rates of return and using the future value formula right here until you get it the right number, or you can actually use the formula right here, which I've done right there. So once you get to the right point, once you get to the right number here, then you're going to then this formula over here also, which I have, this formula right here is embedded, and you see up here in this sort of orangey or block or a peach colored cells right here. So you should have the same rate of return in this cell right here as you have in the ones you're actually manually. Once you put in the rate of return that gives you the right amount for your future value, which is what you're looking for here, is $89,542. Once you get that right amount in there, then these two rate of return should match. Just to show you how that works. Okay.